Yeah, welcome to this continuation of this video, because this is continuation. We made one in the morning. This evening time, and you see in the morning when I made the video that has been published. If you watch it, you already understand what we are talking about here. But if you don't watch it, you will see one link that just come out right now. So just click on it, watch it first. If you watch it, you understand what we are talking about here. Okay, so now you see in the previous video we have this signal on Euro USD, and this is our TP there, and you can see that it's still coming down. It's almost to get to the TP. And if you come to the trading view as well, you can see, so it's waiting that way because there is one support there. So if it break that support now, definitely is going to our TP. Okay, it's going to our TP, and so far it has done 42 pips. All right, but suppose that I enter this market on time, it has done about almost 70 pips. So then you remember that we enter into gold position. So if you come to gold, we see that gold is moving. Do you remember? You remember the gold? So let me come here so that we show you XAUSD. So you remember the gold when it's come out, it was showing here first. It was showing here first, then it later gave us the confirmation that it will sell, and you can see that it's already selling here. Okay, so then you remember AUD USD. You can see how it is also selling, and USD JPY, it's rose. Okay, now I told you that it will get to this place. Then if you come to this confirmation, USD JPY, you can see it has got to this resistance here, and it just give us another sell arrow here. Just give us another sell arrow here under the resistance. What we need to do is just to wait for the confirmation here. Once this won't give us sell, then we are going to write it down again. So we are just waiting for the confirmation here. So this one has prepared us then that it want to fall. Okay, so we will not enter into any position yet, not until we get this confirmation from the Mr. Confirmator here. So that is why the two indicators are actually working together. Two of them are working together to trade any currency pair, either gold, silver, cryptocurrency, anything. So you can actually use it to trade any markets. All right. So, and you already know if you want to get it, it's just 50 USD. But I said for few people in this YouTube channel, for my subscribers, just few of them, I will slash the price into 2. Okay, so and once those number completed, then it will go back to 50 USD. So with 25 USD now, you just need to pay 37,500 naira. Okay, and once we get the number that I want to give out the discount to, then it will raise to 75,000, which is 50 USD. All right, so that is the report that I just want to give you about the ongoing trade that we enter the other time. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyin Oluwaseun.